the streets where children once played. Stone seats that gate to sacred stepping stones in disarray, where the altar used to be placed interchange for blood stains. Sun rays illuminate smoke-filled haze, trace of incense, sense of sacrifice fade. H-time eternally, fire burns continuously. Wondering where you've been, won't you come on home to me? H-time eternally, a fire burns continuously. Wondering where you've been, won't you come to me? Vast black patches of grass growing wild, in fact. Crack walls burn black like a kingdom sacked. Memories like artifacts attacked, yet still intact. Melodies wrapped in glass shadow with the impact. Air intermingling with the singing of songs once sung, flung, hung onto the rafters. Catastrophe struck, the sound stuck, disaster plastered. The aftermath of blasted buildings still standing. Like a scorpion fasting, the skies expanding. Clouds passing, dust particles dancing. In broken bars of light streaming from our shafts slashed into the ceiling. Shh, you could feel the ground breathing. H-time eternally, fire burns continuously. Wondering where you've been, won't you come on home to me? H-time eternally, a fire burns continuously. Wondering where you've been, won't you come to me? Morning light slips in, sifting through the darkness like a morning wife reminisce, having visions of a long gone prince. Memory drips, raindrops tiptoeing emptiness, intermixed with tears like fears left unfixed. Walls worn thin, frozen fortress, like dawn waiting for a day that got skipped. Like a life gone wrong, wandering wilderness, lost six stripped of mist, missing once luscious. H-time eternally, fire burns continuously. Wondering where you've been, won't you come on home to me? H-time eternally, a fire burns continuously. Wondering where you've been, won't you come to me? Paint the scene so you could see city picking up speed. On a bench, 14th Street, taxi screaming yellow streaks. Spears piercing through my ears, you could hear the traffic speak. Jackhammers drill smacking through the sizzling concrete. Windows still spilling tangled telephone wires. Signs sparking, neon lights flashing like wildfires. Morning suns rise and start to feel paralyzed. Let out a sound in the deep blue blind like an ancient war cry. Sunlight in the leaves, it really caught my eye. Listening to the breeze, dancing through the trees, freeze. The city goes in slow motion like a dream. temple turned into a fox den bus. Fumes dripping, spitting into city summer. Fumes dripping, spitting into city summer. Sun sifting through the ash, dimly lit vision listening. temple turned into a fox den. Bus fumes dripping, spitting into city summer sun. Sifting through the ash, dimly lit vision, listening to the hiss lifting off a nighttime ocean. Shim, shim, shimmering, singeing hair on my skin. Whispering where you been, glim, glim, glimmering. From amidst the darkness that sail with the softness. Breeze traveling across the seas, I reason from within Mount Zion. Wind coming in, picking up momentum. Cutting crispy through the darkness, riding on a rhythm. Roller coaster sizzling, twisting down a mountain, ripping rocket ship, exploding like a fountain, overflowing, spilling through the courtyard of Jerusalem. Uncovering debris, lifting up the fallen, arisen within to reach the hidden, even in Manhattan, exposed menorah glowing in the shadows of destruction, trailblazing through affliction, brushing off the branches, golden, standing strong, flames dancing like a lion, roaring, rising out of nothing. Yiba, oh, 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 oh. Thank you.